Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of Train Sim. We're going to be finishing this trip off here today, 6.5 miles to Moab MK Siding. That's what it's called, I'm pretty sure. And we just left off where we were last time, so we're going to get straight into it. And let's get her here. Hold up. I always forget to do that, don't I? Alright. Neutral? We're neutral. Oh, I was just revving it. That's what I was doing. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe this video if you guys think you like this little thing that I'm doing. And, yeah. See how many views it gets compared to Wreckfest. These are probably going to be my two main sources of videos, except for Warzone I haven't started yet, which I'm probably going to. Because if you guys know Jackson, he's really good at Warzone, and I'm not the best at it, but he's going to teach me some things, so. Let's get some more videos for y'all. Here we go, now we're moving. Alright, we'll turn that bell off. No need. Okay, for these people, totally people out here right now. Definitely looks like it. Alright. I don't know what those are right there. I have to stop one day and just figure that out. Alright, let's get her back on a move and not do what we did last time. We almost derailed it. So, let's definitely not do that. We're on a flat ground. We'll get here really quick, I bet. That video might be shorter because we only got 6.2 miles. So, I'm only going to do 2 parts of this, and then might do a part 3. We'll just have to see what I'm doing, what I feel like. After part 1 and part 2, you guys will have to check out and see if you guys liked either one or whatnot. If you guys liked it, then I'll do part 3. Just remember that. And comment down below what kind of games you guys think I should play next. And any games suggested by you, I might actually put that into perspective and actually play it. And I'll test it out and rate it. A good rating. Right now, this game, I'll give it about 7 out of 10. It just depends for some people if they like trains or don't like trains. It just depends. I like trains, but some parts in this game it gets very laggy and annoying, but this part, it's not that bad. Except for the graphics, but I'm running a PlayStation 4, not a PS5, so if I had a PlayStation 5 on here, I bet it'd be better. But also, I think they got that 4th train sim out, so I wonder if it's any better. I haven't really played it. I've seen videos, and I don't really like it compared to this. And this is Train Sim 2, so I don't know. Alright, now we're on a 1.2% incline, decline actually. Sorry. Alright, we're turning. Not too bad. Okay. 4.2 miles left. We're going 81 miles an hour, trucking down here. Only supposed to go 70 miles an hour actually in a train. That's their rules, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if that's for everywhere, but Dang. Got some... That what? Is that a river or is that just plains down there? I can't really tell. My colleague here. Yeah, it's gonna be a really short video compared to the other one, but it's alright. I like to see me get the Moab. And if you guys are new, I can actually stand too. I can open doors and walk out and do whatever. I can sit in this middle seat even if I won't. Yep, I can sit in the middle seat if I wanted to. Just sit here and... Oh, there's no conductor in this seat. I wonder where he could be. We're all gonna die. Oh, we're on 93. Jeez. We're at a really big decline right now. It looks like it at least, but it doesn't show it on that thing. It might be popping up. Let's see if we can get it to 100. That's our new goal. Let's get her to 100, guys. Uh-oh. That's a turn. Let's see how it does going 96. Oh, do you see that turn up there? I ain't stopping. Well, let's see what it does. Let's see. It's gonna derail. Wait. Oh, crap. Here we go. I'm putting money on it. It probably will. Probably on that turn though. I don't know. Oh shoot. 100. We broke it. We're going 100. Uh-oh. If I derail right here, then it's over. We're going off the cliff. Dang. Trucking. She's going. Uh-oh. 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 We need to stop. We're like right here. We're kind of like right here. We're just gonna full application. Alright. Just gotta get her to start stopping. Alright, now we can start here. Okay, yeah, and when you put the emergency brake on, I forgot to tell you guys, it just stops the train even if you put it back in release. It just automatically does that. I don't like that feature, but that's what it is, and that's what we gotta deal with. And then we gotta regain pressure, do all that fun stuff. Looks like that's a... Oh, we're getting coal dumped into us? Ooh, that's gonna be exciting, because then we're really gonna be trucking going down hills. More weight and push us, and then it'll be really fast. I don't know if that's how the physics in this game works, but that's how it does in real life. And then trying to stop's gonna be like a total hell show, so we'll see how that is. Cross that bridge when we get there. Or we'll cross a bridge and fall down and plummet to death. So that's one other thing that could happen. Come on, you goddamn train. Let's move. Let's go. We got places to go. Come on. Kick her in gear, Norman. Let's go. What, you gonna wheel slip on me? Is that what you're gonna do? Is that what you're gonna do now? I dare you. Do it. I dare you. Come on. Oh, dang. He didn't do it. He's scared. It's scared, guys. Alright, let's try what we did in the last video though. We'll put it down to third. We'll get up to like 20 mile an hour, then we should be good. Just get right on. And we're on a decline again. We're gonna be loading on a decline probably. That's gonna suck. Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna slow down. We're gonna put that brake on. Just a little bit. Uh-oh. Let's go on idle for me, please. Yeah, we're still gaining speed. More speeds. More speeds. Oh jeez, we're coming up on it. Once we get into like, oh, we're in the territory now. Start slowing down. Start slowing down. Or he missed it. Oh gosh. Dang, I should have knew. Oh, that works. Okay, well then we'll just do this and put it in a neutral, and there we go. 25th hopper. I gotta uncouple the vehicle. Oh. Dang it, I gotta get out. Alright. Let's go do that. Hopefully the train doesn't start rolling. That's the worst possible outcome of this. So, let's not do that. Gotta run all the way back here to the end of the train. So this is all the cars that we've been pulling. It's a decent amount. Guess we're gonna be dropping one off over here, and then they're gonna take it, or I'm gonna have to take it over here. That's one thing that could happen. Let's hope not. Let's really hope not. This is only a 25th car. Feels like I've been walking forever. Okay. Apparently this is it right here, and we gotta take these hoses off up here. Dang, this is the part that I suck at. Oh, yeah, I remember. Hold on. You gotta do something with this thing right here. Yep. Wait for a moment. Uh, 200 nears the rear end of our enter the DP unit. Sorry guys, my mom came in my room for a second. Alright, we're back. Okay, where were we? We did that. Now we gotta go back up here. All the way back up to my train. I think we gotta get on this side. Yeah, gotta climb over that. Alright. The camera viewing's very weird. Because it's down to go up and up to go down, so. I think there's like a train locomotive down here or something. Probably gotta move our train up just a little bit. Yeah. And there's another locomotive up there probably or something. Betcha. Oh, there's one that's gonna be coming and pick it up and push it in here. But it's not gonna just sit on this main track, I guarantee that. There's no way they're gonna let that happen. There could be a different train that goes wee, you know, just kind of brutally attack it. I gotta do that, do that. Okay, that's off. Turn that back on. Turn that back up to there. There we go, we're moving. Okay, we can turn that into idle because we're gonna be moving. It's just gonna push us here. We also do have less cars. Should be good. Keep us at a steady pace. And then we'll use this brake to really get us right on. Go. And do I gotta go to the end of this thing? I swear, if I gotta do that, I probably do. Okay, we gotta run. Run, 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 run. Ugh. I wonder what my character honestly looks like. Maybe he's just an old fat man. Gotta get his cardio in, you know? Or he's a skinny man and he just needs to get buff. That too. I feel like, okay, so there might have been a train down here that's been pushing us this whole time. And then we gotta push, with that train, we'll push it into here. In this empty lot. I'm assuming that's what we're doing right now. So I'm assuming. Well, we're gonna have to change the track. Dang, we got a lot of cars. This is back down here all the way by that curve almost. Holy cow. Dang. Come on. Yep, looks like there's almost maybe 2 locomotives down here. Yeah. There it is. Three locomotives that are carrying this whole thing. I guess that's when we get like all of the cars full of stuff, and then that's why. Okay, hold up. Okay, so I gotta get in the engineer seat, cut and lead, hit some buttons, do some stupid stuff, you know. Gotta hit all these buttons that I did inside the other locomotive when I started it up. There we go. Yep. 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 Come on. Yep. Yep. Alright. Now I gotta get up. Over here. Switch on this. I gotta switch over here. Now I gotta go all the way back up there. Oh no, I see how it is. Oh, maybe somebody else is gonna come down here and grab this train and do that. I don't know. Dang it, game, why do I gotta be freaking running? I gotta be doing all this cardio for you, you know? Kinda messed up. Be able to teleport. Just like, boop, 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 boop. Boom. Done. Can I actually? Oh, you can. Oh, that's cool. In the ocean over there. Oh, there's a border. It's a border right here. Probably just doesn't want you walking all the way up there and getting out of where it actually wants you to be. So 400 yards to go. If I could only do 100 miles an hour, just like I do on the train. It's pretty cool. I could do all of this and everything. Wait, can I actually go up here? Hold on, I'm getting a little sidetracked here. How would you get up there, though? There's no part to go down. Hold on, I'm kind of curious right now. Give me a second. Climb over. There you go. How do you get up there? There's stairs, and then it just leads to a drop off. Is that how you want to do this, Timmy? Okay, now you're mean. I'm just walking in the middle of the road. Get hit by a semi or truck. Aw, man, I gotta move it again. Build up pressure. I'm not even gonna close that. No point. Just gonna have to get out and probably run all the way back down again. Alright, come on, man. Oh, crap. I gotta keep that neutral. Turn that off. pressure out. Turn that on. That back on. Okay. Wait. No. Okay, I see what it's wanting me to do now. If you guys see what I'm seeing right now, you will understand. I gotta go all the way back down to that train. And here, let me tell you why. If you see, I'm on this track. And that's on that track. And that train over there is gonna be having to go on this track. So I just did all of this for nothing. Dang. All that work for nothing. Well, at least I figured it out, you know? You have to do some stuff to figure it out sometimes. If you guys want to skip this part of the video, I might take a little minute to get down here. It's alright if you do. Better. You can actually hear the railroad rock too. And I'm pretty sure I gotta slap this thing. Left junction, I gotta turn it to right junction. There you go. Now I should be able to drive right on down through here. Come on. For a second, I thought the train was moving. Kind of scared me for a second. I thought I put the emergency brake on. Imagine I didn't, just started rolling down the whole freaking thing. Probably actually roll backwards. It's on an incline going up right now. Alright, let's see if we can push it. Got two locomotives back here, I'm sure we can do it. Hop in here. Okay. That off. Turn that on. Pretty sure this is what I'm supposed to do. I'm pretty positive that this is what the game wants me to do. So I'm pretty sure. New buttons. Yee. Turn 4. Alright, now we're starting to move. Oh, don't do that. Keep her going. Turn that on just a little bit. I want to fly down here so I can see if it's going. Yep, it's turning, looks like. It's turning into there. Yep. Good boy. Good train. I don't know if you're a boy or a girl or not, but should be able to just turn it in neutral and should be good. If I do that, nope, it's not liking that. Too much weight. Gotta still push it because we still got trains behind us and everything. No, don't do this to me. Please don't. Okay. I will make you wheel slip. Don't test me. I will. There you go. Alright. Let's get this thing parked. Sounds like one of the brakes are almost. It's not. Slow her down just a little bit. Hey, look at that this way. Now I don't have to walk as far. Get to both locomotives are right here. As long as I park this thing right here, should be alright. As long as there's not a junk. Whoa. Getting late. Yep, that's how it went. Oh, we finished it, guys. We got her done. Got her done. Alright. Dang. Continue. See, this is what I'm talking about. Train Sim World 4. Out now. If you guys like that, make sure to like and follow for more. And, I'm probably gonna do more videos of this and everything if you guys want me to, because there's more to do. But I'll see you guys later, and next video, if it gets good, I'll do a part 3 on this, and we can do this, because this is pretty much where we left off almost. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.